Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, keyboard, top cover, wireless module, display panel assembly, display bezel, display panel, and left display panel hinge. Removal: disconnect the display panel cable from the webcam board and remove the display panel cable from the routing channel on the display enclosure to gain access to the right wireless antenna transceiver. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the left wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the routing of the wireless antenna cables for later replacement. Remove the wireless antenna cables from the routing channel that secures them to the display enclosure. Important: make careful note of the placement of the wireless antenna transceivers for later replacement. Carefully peel back the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the right wireless antenna transceiver from the display enclosure and remove. Using a non-conductive flat-bladed tool, remove the left wireless antenna transceiver from the display enclosure and remove. Replacement. Caution: use care when handling and installing the new antennas. Accidental bending of the antenna elements will detune the antennas and degrade notebook performance. Place the left wireless antenna transceiver into position on the display enclosure. Place the right wireless antenna transceiver into position on the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the right wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Route the wireless antenna cables through the routing channel that secures them to the display enclosure. Carefully adhere the metallic tape that secures the left wireless antenna transceiver to the display enclosure. Connect the display panel cable into its connector on the webcam board and route the display panel cable through the routing channel on the display enclosure.